Okay, it gets more of the same, but a little more interesting, a little more rugged as you get to the summit here. This is Steve Raviel, Sherpa. I'm close to the summit of Sam's Knob. A little bit winded. This is kind of my first serious climb of the season. Been hiking a bit, but not too many really good vertical climbs. This one's just right, I think, for breaking back into it. It's about, oh, there's some people. This is the first group I've heard since I got on the Sam's Knob trail. Every time I come up here, I smell weed. I think this is a popular place to come up and get high. Okay. This is what I mean. Check this out. Basically follow this creek bed. Plenty of big rocks though, so you can stay dry. Look how deep this rut is here. This would have been a miniature glacier. All right, there's some people coming. So, oh shit. Almost got wet there. Come on, you guys. Hey, sweetheart. You're good. I'll get off to the side over here. Oh, you're good.
You come on by.
You want me to swing by there? Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Hey guys.
Say hi.
How's it going? Y'all having fun?
Likes to bark.
Oh, it's cool. No worries at all. I'm glad y'all are out here. Whew. Look how cool this is. See what I mean about this runoff? I don't know what the hell's up here. This has got to just be from snowpack. I don't believe there's any creeks up here or springs, but it sure looks like it. Here's the fork in the road. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's a fork right here. In an earlier video, I showed you the top of Sam's Knob from the meadow down there, and I said there's two knobs up there. This side over here takes you to the one that was in the right side of the picture when I was facing this mountain from the meadow. I'm going this way because it's a slightly better view up on this side. This would be the east side of the summit. You can kind of tell I mean literally within 25 to 50 feet of the summit. Look at the rhododendrons or the mountain laurels. You can see they've been dormant, covered with snow here for the last few months. But anyway, we'll take it a little bit further, and then yeah, this side up here, if I remember correctly, takes you right up to the top. It's also pretty windy up here, so I would recommend taking a windbreaker, even if it's warm, because it can get cold quick. So I'm gonna wrap up this one. I'll pick it up again once I get up there a little closer to the top.